I have in front of me an AV and power CCTV camera extension cable. So this actually is a really neat camera. The particular application for it only became apparent to us some time ago because we added on the following camera onto our system. So what we have, this is actually a spy camera, and it has both audio and video. So if we came along, we'll say, and we were trying to do this, what we would be doing is we're doing the video on this particular cable. Sorry, I'll show the cable first of all in detail. So this particular one is 20 meters long, and what we have is we've 3 cables on both ends. So if we look at the yellow here, it's supporting video. If we look at the white, it's supporting audio from our camera, our little spy camera here, which has a little camera here. There's actually a little microphone built in here. And then what we're doing is this cable here, it's pre-terminated. It supplies the power. And on the far end, what we would do is we'd put on, we'll say, our 2 amp power unit, 12 volt 2 amp power unit here, for instance. Okay, we can have an audio output here, and we can have a video. So we could run that directly, we'll say, for example, into a TV that had an RCA input. And we could do it, or we could try to connect it directly onto a DVR to run a connection that way. And let's just have a quick look at how we might do that. So some DVRs might possibly have an RCA connection, but what you could possibly do is you could convert it over to a BNC style connection using something like this. Okay, so we put it on the video on there. So that's a little adapter we have, which is simply straight over from RCA over to BNC, and that could connect in. Or you can actually use it directly with a meter. So this is a meter we have here that has a BNC connection. So you can just run it down, connect it up, turn on our meter, and look directly at the picture we have set up in it. So it's just giving an example of how we do it. If you're connecting it directly to a TV, and we're of course always using this one to provide the power, what we could actually do is we could convert it over to a SCART simply by using 2 RCA connections here, converts it to a SCART and connects it into a TV. I'm saying that simply because on older TVs, SCARTs are a lot more common than RCAs, but it's extremely easy, and that's another product that we sell within our range. So overall, we'll say, it's a little bit of a niche product. Most people are just going with cables that have BNC connections both ends, but the RCA can be very convenient, particularly if the camera and the system using needs audio as well. So it's great to have video, audio and power all in the one thing in a pre-terminated cable, and it's available with low-cost shipping from freetv.ie.